When it comes to updating their homes, many Ferndale homeowners are turning to replacement doors as a way to improve both aesthetics and safety. A front or back door is more than just an entry point. It sets the tone for curb appeal, provides protection from the outside world, and contributes to energy efficiency. Here's why so many families in Ferndale are choosing replacement doors for style and security. Enhancing curb appeal with modern designs. First impressions matter, and your door is often the very first detail people notice about your home. Outdated or worn doors can make a property look neglected, even if the rest of the home is well maintained. Replacement doors come in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes to match every type of architecture found in Ferndale, from charming craftsman homes to sleek modern builds. Homeowners can select from classic wooden doors for timeless elegance, steel and fiberglass options for durability with customizable finishes, glass inserts and sidelights that add brightness and character. By upgrading, residents can instantly boost the overall appearance of their home and even increase its market value. Improved security. For peace of mind. While style is important, security remains a top priority. A strong, well-constructed replacement door provides homeowners with confidence that their property and loved ones are protected. Many new door models feature reinforced frames and multi-point locking systems, impact-resistant materials that withstand forced entry attempts, advanced deadbolts and smart lock compatibility. For Ferndale residents, especially those in busy neighborhoods, having a secure entryway brings invaluable peace of mind. Energy efficiency and comfort. Beyond looks and safety, replacement doors also contribute to a home's efficiency. Older doors often suffer from drafts, gaps, and poor insulation. In Ferndale's varying climate, this can lead to higher heating and cooling costs. New doors are designed with advanced weather stripping, insulated cores, and energy-efficient glass inserts to help keep indoor temperatures stable. This upgrade not only lowers energy bills but also enhances indoor comfort, keeping chilly drafts out in winter and blocking excessive heat in summer. Customization for every lifestyle. Another reason homeowners choose replacement doors is the level of personalization available. Whether someone wants a bold pop of color to stand out on the block or a subtle, neutral tone that blends with their home's exterior, there are countless options. Hardware finishes, glass patterns, panel designs, and even door sizes can all be tailored to individual preferences. For families, doors with built-in blinds between glass panels offer convenience and privacy. For style-focused homeowners, decorative glass patterns or craftsman-style details make a statement. Increasing home value. Investing in replacement doors isn't just about immediate satisfaction, it's also a long-term investment. Real estate experts often note that new entry doors provide one of the highest returns on investment among home improvements. Potential buyers see modern doors as a sign that a home is well maintained, secure, and stylish, making it a powerful selling point in Ferndale's housing market. A smart upgrade for today's homeowners. Ultimately, homeowners in Ferndale are choosing replacement doors because they check every box: style, security, efficiency, and long-term value. With customizable options to fit any budget or design preference, replacement doors transform homes into safer, more beautiful, and more comfortable spaces. Whether you're aiming to refresh your curb appeal, protect your family, or simply enjoy the comfort of an energy-efficient entryway, a replacement door is a smart and lasting investment.